Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to schedule email notifications on SiteGround. I just tap on a Safari browser and you may create the account, and before create the account you will have to purchase the plan for your web hosting. And if you want to buy the premium or subscription of SiteGround, please go through the link in description. You will get a referral code from me. And the next, logging in, how to schedule campaign sending in SiteGround email. The email marketing tool allows you to schedule a campaign release from it. So to access the email builder, navigate to email marketing campaign. Second, if you want to schedule the release while building a new campaign, press the new campaign button in the top right corner to schedule an existing draft. Click on its corresponding action menu and please tap to this edit button. So after, you will see a new campaign, and inside the email builder, press the send button in the top right corner to access the sending option, and just tap on it to sending. And after, now you can choose the date and time for sending the campaign from the two fields that appear below send later. So just select the date and time and confirm your selection, and just tap to OK. Set the time for sending, confirm with the schedule button. Hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.